Right, hello guys, this is my first ever Madden NFL 15 packs. I'm going to open 15 Pro packs for you now. So let's start with number 1. Oh, let's see what we get. Okay. What is it? Not going to be using that though, I think I'll be sticking with Texans. Oh, we've got Stadium as well, actually, the Panthers. Fairly crap players here. Broncos defense, Rex Ryan. Oh, Josh McCown. That's an upgrade on my. At the moment, I've got the 70 rated Johnny Manziel. I'm not sure how fast McCown is. I see. So I got nothing really. The jersey, defense. John Harbaugh, right? Ooh, that's nice. Darren Sproles, 81. Improve it, guard. Soldier Field. Okay. Nothing. I like that you can just press X and go straight to the next. I've got 15 packs to open, so let's see what we get. Left end. Superdome, yeah. Okay, upgrade at safety. That's good. Okay. These packs aren't great, but Darren Sproles. Packs. Chiefs offense. Nothing much here. I'd love to get some good receivers or a good quarterback. I mean, I got McCown, but probably stick with Manziel because of the speed. Being able to escape the pocket, create with his legs as well. Cowboys. Hey, Texan Stadium. Set that as. Okay, there's a gold, but Lions offense. Confused it. Okay, is that like two coach things? You actually have a coach in the one. Okay. Tight end. I think I've picked up. Hopefully the best. Jersey, playbook, safety, Rex Ryan. Okay, a decent fullback. Okay, all helps. Oh, Seahawks Stadium. Press back actually. Still got 10 left. Let's go. Marcus Gilchrist. Oh, that's not too bad actually. Soldier Field again. Do I list this? Do I quick set? It's just Madden. Housing. I don't expect it. Ghana. Hey! I think I've already got that. I'll equip it. I think when you choose your favourite team at the beginning, it gives you, I think it gives you the kits. Steelers defense. It's a pretty poor pack player-wise. These packs aren't great, I don't think. I'm wondering what are the best packs to buy, really. Because I didn't see an elite packs or anything yet. The pro packs seem to be the best one. This jersey. Panthers again. I won't do this now because it's boring, but I'll list all the players, all the duplicates that I've got. See if I can build up some coins. Caldwell, Brock Osweiler. Oh, tackle, that's alright. Is that GP's grounded? Ooh. Marcus Colston. So Sproles and Colston, my best two players. Not. Sorry, Sproles is moving. Still though, two good players there. That's a nice. I like Colston. He's a big. Case Keenum. Low rated really. I won't use him. It's a Texans player. Oh, another Eddie Pleasant. Packers. Sometimes goes a bit. This actually tells you get contracts in the pack as well. So we've got 20 contracts in this. So I've built up 155 contracts. Okay, not the best gold I could have got really. Gillette Stadium. Nothing to get excited about. Still Colston and Sproul. Ooh, Geno Atkins. What's that? Is that like an elite card or something? The red card? Not sure. Seems to be better than a gold though. That's I assume when I do this all open. The Texans coach. That's cool. I won't equip him though because I've chosen short passes. Chemistry. I don't want to ruin that by changing coaches. Because I assume that affects it. Darius Haywood Bay. Next one. I swear I picked. Oh. Am I? I'm in the pocket. B. See how many? 4 left. Oh, let's see what we got. The stadium, Seahawks. I do like the Seahawks. Chris Polk. It's a decent linebacker. That's a linebacker for silver. I don't quite get how some gold players are rated the same as some silver players. I play FIFA really, so it seems it's quite different. All cards. Another tackle. I think I've got a decent left and right guard now. I've got a good right, a decent. 3 left. Seahawks again. Center. Well, that almost completes my offense, which is good. Obviously, I want to. Jason Campbell. Thought Let's pack. Another right tackle. Okay, I got a good running back. I got a good offensive, or decent, and I got a good receiver. All improving. I don't think I picked much up on defense really. Last pack. Oh come on, just give me something. No. Jim Harbaugh, 49 is imagine. Well, I haven't really got the players to fit it yet. Much here. Last 2. Oh, please give me some. Got on my last one. Jerome Simpson received. Well, I'll probably do another pack open.